speaker.
So the next speaker is Dr. John Davis Akara from Kerala. He is going to talk on smartphone portable eye clinic system. So he travels Somshila. You might know him. John always has a briefcase, like how the general practitioners in the olden times used to walk
Right.
around the family physician with a briefcase.
Right.
So he is the running ophthalmologist. He everywhere travels with a briefcase. So yeah, that is running. So John, over to you with your discussion, with your presentation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you to the scientific committee for organizing this. It was wonderful that even during COVID times, we were able to, work on our innovations. We were able to do so many things which we thought were not possible. So let me just describe what I have. So I came across this difficulty several times, that when you go and see a patient as a postgraduate, you don't have your tools with you. Whereas the medicine doctor, the physicians, they have their instruments, and we have all our instruments, huge instruments sitting in the OP. So that is why I came up with this. We have a briefcase full of innovative, cost-effective things. So this is a set of mostly do-it-yourself and smartphone-based portable devices for eye doctors on the go. And let's look at what is inside that. So this kit, it contains smartphones, because I do a lot of smartphone related stuff, a tablet because you need bigger things also. Then that piece of paper was eye ruler, then the lenses, including an IOL, that is an IOL, the red blue glasses for stereopsis testing, slit virtual reality headset, and a smartphone slit lamp. This was one very useful thing which I believe all postgraduate students should carry. This is a typical eye clinic. We start examining the patient, but before that, we take history, general examination. And once we have the eye examination, we might go for higher investigations. And history taking itself, you can use several apps to help you, including the language apps such as I Know Tamil and I Know Bangla. Then, of course, general examination, you can use a smartphone just because. You can use your regular stethoscope and torchlight also, but this is the age of smartphones. Then for visual acuity testing, we have these visual acuity chart, which is on a tablet or an iPad and controlled by a smartphone by a Bluetooth. So that is useful. You could also use the Peak Acuity app, which can be done completely on the phone. Stereopsis testing, which is quite expensive to do. The charts are expensive. You can actually do it with the red blue anaglyph glasses and the random stereogram testing apps. I do a lot of 3D photography with red blue glasses. I have an atlas of ophthalmology in 3D. Then refraction, this is not my innovation, this is from MIT. You can do refraction testing with smartphones. This is an eye ruler. This is a ruler which will help you to take photographs of an eye. And I use an app called Image Meter. I presented in another conference to measure things on the eye, including the corneal diameter, interpupillary distance, and so on. And you can also measure the tilt. So eye turn is for the Hirschberg's test, and eye turn, eye tilt, and 9-gaze. So a pediatric ophthalmologist, squint specialist will love these set of apps. Slit, I made this device, which is basically a slit illumination device. And once you have this on one hand and 20 diopter lens on the other hand, you become a slit lamp. You have the illumination arm being your right arm in the right hand in this case, and the viewing arm is your left hand. This is very simple and cheap to make. And this is the fundus camera. This is a smartphone fundus camera, which basically is a hand sanitizer bottle with a 20 diopter lens at the other end. This was made by Dr. Prithvi Chandakant, my friend. And we also had, me and Dr. Bijurade had published this in 2016 with PVC pipes. So this is a modification of our original article. And this is a Kerakan mini top. This is a Placido-based topographer, which I tried making. And I'm able to get Myers like this, and with printed ones we'll get better one. Yeah, time is almost up, I guess. Virtual reality perimeter with the same headset I presented in 2018. So that is also part of the kit. And this is the kit. Thank you all. I hope this kit becomes a standard issue for all ophthalmologists, especially the postgraduate students in all medical colleges. Thank you.
Thank you, John. Thank you, John, for summing up everything and for carrying the suitcase everywhere where you travel. John had a simple question. You have made so many innovations, so many jugards. Uh, have you tried to make it commercially available to ophthalmologists?
Not commercially available. I have not made it commercially available. I haven't tried selling it yet. But I thought that if you just put the plans out there, people would make it on their own. That is what we did in 2016 with the PVC pipe fundus camera. But what happened was people are lazy. Unfortunately, people are lazy. If you just give the plans out there, open source, every step mentioned, there are very few people who will actually go and make it. But if you actually make it and give it to them, they are ready to pay a reasonable price to buy it. So I think I will go ahead with that.
So
I think
why
I
the
should do
question
that.
was asked you, John? See,
Yes,
we
sir.
have a veterinary surgeon in Bangalore called Dr. Jaitra. He
Yes,
came
yes.
up with Jaitra's imaging device. So it is
Yes.
nothing. I mean, it's very simple if you see. So a lot of your innovations are also very simple, but the problem is nobody wants to do it. So if you can
Yes.
come up with a low cost, low margin, low cost device, so your name will be more famous and it will be available to a lot more number of people than you showing your presentation. Suppose today I've seen your suitcase.
Yes, sir.
I don't have the time to prepare all this. So
Exactly, sir.
I'm not utilizing
Even
it. I'm not remembering John. But if John is preparing this suitcase and tied up with some of the vendor and selling it at say about say 5,000 rupees, a portable briefcase with all the necessary ophthalmic equipment for a bedside diagnosis. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this will be more advantageous to me and your name also will spread. I think you should give a thought about this and start working on this.
I will do that, sir.
last
KP,
year
over to you.
I was part of your presentation, John,
Yes, sir.
regarding the same presentation.
Yes, sir.
I know that because of the corona you are delayed. Last time also you told that the same word that you will do this thing.
Yes,
so
sir.
you have to do it. Whatever Amit said, that I think you have to do it as early as possible.
Yes,
It
sir. I
shouldn't be,
realize that
John,
people
that you have
don't
come
make
with
it.
so many innovations and now you are becoming lazy. Because KP Krishna Prasad hinted at that.
Yes, sir.
So, Somshila, over to you.
So, I know that we are all scolding you, John, but we're trying to push you into the next step. So exactly, I don't know if it's possible, but I think that AIOS is a platform who should, you should approach actually. And they have a lot of access to vendors. I mean, when I say they, I mean that the general office, the headquarters, has a lot of access to vendors. I'm just giving an example of, say, the kit that is used for endophthalmitis, which is available at all our secondary centers. So there's a kit with all the antibiotics, antifungal, and you just have to draw from it. It's already done.
The one from Orolab, ma'am?
That's right.
Yes, ma'am.
So
we used
like
it
that,
recently. Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
almost everybody, it's there all over. It's all over the country. It's available. So that's the concept. You could have something like that.
Yes,
I think that we need to explore this beyond today's just, not get another presentation from you, John, and then you take your briefcase and go everywhere. But all the other medical colleges, and just like I said, like the secondary centers, everybody could have this briefcase with all its goodies in it.
Yes, ma'am.
I think
Yes,
you should shoot off a mail, and you have to do this.
I will proceed, ma'am. I will
start off
definitely
with
proceed.
shooting off a
Yes,
mail
ma'am.
to the general secretary and to all the members of the scientific committee who were there, so we can also push it.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, John.